So guys, today as you see, I'm out. As always, when teachers are around 4 or 5, the time for me to do some nature walk here in the Savannah lands of Africa. As you can see, these are the Savannah place of Africa. You can see that looks. So probably today, I decided to take a video and show you how I do my nature walks. And show you some fruits that I always eat when I always do my nature walks. Oh, there's some cactus there. I always eat some cactus fruit, but probably I haven't seen any cactus fruit. Let me try and see if there's some cactus fruit there. Some of you will wonder if your cactus has got some fruit. So cactus has got some fruit. When it has matured, probably you can find its fruits there. So I think you can see the cactus. It has no. There's some here that's big. I think maybe this one doesn't make. There was one fruit here. So probably I think maybe someone ate it or some animals. Anybody who knows about cactus fruits can eat it. So don't wonder. Let me take you the walk. I walk. I'm in the Savannah land. I think to where I'm heading to. I find the fruit. Let's go. And I think my camera might not be that much clear because I have no lights, and also the device that I'm using to record, the resolution might be so much lower. And guys, as we continue, please always consider to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you are a returning subscriber, just always like, comment, and I just want to know your views on how I always show you the nature of Africa and how the things we do here in Africa. Just give me the views and anything you want me to show you about Africa and everything, I will show you. I'm a man of showing how things, how they are going through in Africa. So please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. The main aim of hitting the notification bell is you can subscribe, but if you haven't hidden the notification bell, when I post any video, you might not be notified. So probably if you hit the notification bell, you will be notified when I post any video. Always consider that. Also like my videos, comment, share. If there's some part you can download and maybe go and cut some favorite part that I've did a nice do. Then you share to some people who need to know the nature of Africa. Base Africa is a green land. I'm the Savannah lands. You can see if you have been to Kenya, and if you're in Kenya, you know the Savannah lands how it looks like. It's a place where the main, like where I am here, exactly, it's been a month since I sold the rents. So probably it's mostly it's fish. It's somehow pastoralism is done here, farming of animals. Not that much of farming is done here. I think maybe crop farming is done here. You see, I'm here. So you can see that's a dam. There's a dam where animals drink their water. A dam where animals drink their water. You see, it's a beautiful place. So I think where I am, this is the only dam. This is the only dam, as you can see, where animals drink water. As the lanes were so many, so probably the water was reaching here, as you see here. But by now, as the lanes haven't been there for, I don't know, it's almost a month. So probably the water is always reduces as time goes. So it might reduce to somewhere that end, to that end. Yeah. So I think you have seen the dam where our animals are not, I think our livestock drink their water. And where I am probably, it's a place where elephants come from a conservancy. They will, when they come out, so probably you might even early in the morning or in the evening you can find the elephants moving out. And you must be so much be careful. You must be that much careful. You can see beautiful birds, the trees, everything. It's a nice place. It's a nice place. If you wanna visit anywhere, you can visit. It's a nice place here. And I'm just soaring and going on to where I'm supposed to be heading. I always do some nature walks. So probably I decided today to show you I do my nature walk. And for me, by the way, for me when I do my nature walk, anywhere I find some grass and with some tall shit like this, I always take it, always chew. I like chewing some grass, but I don't take mirror. Don't know why. If I was to take mirror, some people will say it's because I missed the mirror. That's why I'm taking this grass. But if I don't take mirror, I feel man. Ani aje? Uko fiti? Umetoka kuchunga ng'ombe? Ndio zile? Mimi niko. Nafika tu maraundi zangu hivi mdogo mdogo tu. Sawa. Hii ndio masaa. Sawa kimoja. So guys, as you can see, that's the guy last time when I was doing the video of Africans brushes their teeth. There's the man on the background. The man in the background helped me a lot because I know cameraman, so he probably had to do that job to hold me for the camera, and that taught him how to record and everything, and also to make sure the voice is heard. I mean, I haven't this. I think this is a new road and a new path I'm using. I haven't found any fruits. Always, you cannot walk without seeing any fruits here. There's so many fruits. Many fruits. Hey! Many fruits. So, I think there's some fruits there. As you can see, there are some many fruits. So guys, as you can see, there's some tony fruits here. This one here. This one. Small, so I think let me take some. This one here. Maybe you can see this one. It's called matunda ya gawa. I don't know how it's called in English though. Can tell me in the comment section how it's called. It's a thorny fruit found in the Savannah Island, so probably it's called gawa. We call it gawa. That's how I was told because it's called gawa. No, matunda za kieni. Matunda za kieni means it's a plateau area. So anytime I pass, I must eat. I like this small fruit. It's so sweet and so nice. So anytime I pass, I must eat this fruit. So guys, I'm continuing to eat the fruit. So probably I like any kind. So there's the ones that haven't ripe, and there are those ones that are already ripened. So I eat all both. So like this one here, This one here, the color has changed. It has got something like milk. So the color has changed. So this one has it's somehow purple. The one that has turned the color into purple, it's already ripened. So you see this one, these things are so sweet. So the only thing I fear reaching in here, these are some of the thorny fruits, like the cactus fruits. So they may even injure you. You see, I've taken a punch of some of it, so I can check it through by through. They're so sweet. As we walk, I must find this fruit. Yeah, you're fond of it. Some are thorny, some are not thorny, so you go with what is available. Eh? Everywhere. The main thing you must consider here is to make sure they haven't injured you. See like here? These are the effect. This is the thorn of this fruit that injured me here. It's been a week now. So you must be careful when doing this. These things are so sweet. So sweet, guys. I think that's enough for the place. So I continue the journey. I'm on with my journey. So guys, there's how I do my nature walk. I always walk almost even 5 kilometers a day. You see, even I'm getting farther and farther. So probably when there's some people who knew me long time ago when I was that much thinner. So always they tell me, hey guy, you're getting much fat. But you know what? That's how life is. As always grow, you either get you big, tiny, or get further and fatter. So for me, I don't know how. Every time I'm getting fat. Anytime, any day, I always add some weight. But probably I don't want to reach over. If I get to almost 300 pounds, that might be much weight. If I reach 300 pounds, that will make me go to the gym. That will make me go to the gym. 300 pounds, that's much for a normal person. That's being obesity for me. Maybe some have almost 300 pounds. But for me, if I reach 300 pounds, hey, that's much weight. You see, these are some also the fruits I was eating there. But here they are I think they have dried up. Because there have not been no rain. It's been a while since we saw the rains. The Savannah lands, you can see. This is the Savannah lands of Africa. Here mostly people do livestock farming and some few crop farming. Take my nature, come along with me. See like there? That's someone who has grown the grass so that with time, when the grass is ready, you make the hay. Not for you make hay. You know what I mean by saying hay. So they bring tractors when the grass is ready. They bring tractors, then the tractors cut the grass, and then on the same tractor make the hay, and then they pack them take them somewhere for storage for a while. When then the livestock have no, I mean what? They have no any what? They don't have any grass to eat, or they don't have any food. The animal food, the livestock food, that's what they're given hay. Yeah, most people make hay. They grow grasses when there's rains. I think when the rains, the rains run almost for almost 3 months. So in that period, the grass would have already grown, and then after growing, so as the rains go, for the period the rains have gone, so probably the grass will also continue growing, because there will be some little water in the soil. They will go and eat somewhere. When it reaches the point where it should be cut, I think it will be already dry. So that's how they make hay. So yeah, you see, it's a big land, some almost 20 acres of land. There are some who have used the land to grow some grass, and some also bought the land and when they ain't living near here, they are made far away, put around here. So that is it. I'm just looking around to see if I can find some the fruit that I was eating. Oh my God! I think the roots I've used today does got no many fruits here. I don't know why. There's some roots when I do some nature work. There's always a lot of fruits. Man, today, I think I was the worst fruits. It's dry of fruits. No many fruits. As I always get some many fruits here around. The roots I've used, that I've used today. You see in the village, this is a pathway. I'm even wearing a short, you can see. It's a village. It's around 4:30 p.m. East African time. So this is my time. I'll do my nature walk until around what? I do my nature walk around 1 hour or 2 hours. Then maybe around 6, I start going back I think the 2 hours is always completed. I know the routes that I'm passing. By the time 2 hours ends, I'll be near to my place where I live. So you can see that's the same land that I saw you people are using to make hay. It's a big land. It's a big land. And here it's always sunny in the day, sunny and windy in the day. At night it's cold and windy. So that's how the Savannah places be like. Sunny and windy in the day, cold and windy at the night. So that's how we live here. And probably we are living in iron house. That's mostly the worst consequences we ever experience, because at the day when you're in the house, it's so hot, you can't live even in your house. So you need to go out, go take some walk, and come back. At night also, you need to have some heavy blankets. Because you cannot sleep with that light blanket at your house, because it's so cold and windy. The winds are carrying some moisture or water that's so much cold. They cannot even allow you to sleep with one blanket. So if you're living an iron bed, overnight bed, the walls are made of iron sheet. The roof is made of iron sheet, and even there's no any other. You haven't put even the triply around the house. It's only the iron sheets made. So probably you know what I mean. If you have lived in an iron sheet made house, you know what I mean. It's so much cold. So probably if you are living somewhere, you need to plant some trees to act like windbreakers. To make you not to get some cold and maybe get some pneumonia. And you know, they always, I don't know if it's me or people say, they say pneumonia is the most deadliest disease. Pneumonia. So you need to take care of yourself. So this is Savannah land. So some great nature. Always walk some distances, pass through the gardens. You see, nothing is planted here. It's dry. Even the soil is dry. The black cotton. They call it black cotton soil. Correct. I think it's clay soil. It's called black cotton. Whenever you want to build here, you need to make a strong foundation. Make a great foundation for your house before you even build it, because you don't build a strong foundation, your house can even sink. Your house can sink because if you know, you can Google about the black cotton soils. There's so much not favorable for building, maybe for farming and some specific crops. You see? You can see. I like some great nature walks. Nature walks. Nature walks. That car, the grass of the idea has already finished though. I need to throw this one away. Oh, this is crazy, man. I'm making some garden there. I think it's a garden or something. It's a garden, and I wanna go around and see. Not even a garden. I think it's a place. So just a place, and see some things. Yeah, we also have electricity. There's some people living here. So that's electricity. We have electricity here. There's some people living here. Can you see? There. So there's a fence that's made here. There are some people living here. We are living here. This is someone who bought some land here. Upload 8 an acre, 2 8 an acre, so that's a quarter an acre land. So just fenced that long. We are here. So guys, I think I paused my recording, but I'm continuing recording. So probably I've come to some garden here that we always use do some irrigation. Cannot be have a garden here without doing any irrigation, because you can see there no plants. So here, if I came here, there's some passion fruits. You can see passion fruits. This is a passion fruit. I don't know if think it hasn't already ripened. So this is a passion fruit that we planted. Passion fruits. It's a passion fruit we planted already. Just wanted to come to see and see if it has already ripened. It's already ripened now or not. So there are also some fruits. There are some fruits here. So you can see. I'm going to sit down here. This is a summer. I don't know how is it called. For a certain vegetable that we do eat, it's called manago. So manago, I don't know how manago is called in. I don't know how manago is called in English, but I don't know it's called manago. I don't know if it's manago in English also. So the manago fruits, you can see. This is the manago fruits. So I'm eating the manago fruits. Manago fruit. That was so sweet, so sweet. Manago fruits. It wasn't that much of the manago fruits, but here I'm at the shamba doing some 1-2 inspections and see the plants that I planted here. They're so okay. They are so okay. Got some Irish potato here. Hey, it's awesome. I think got some Irish potato here. This is an Irish potato, you can see. The same fruit I told you, the manago fruit is here also. You can see the manago fruit. You can see it's orange in color. The manago fruit, it's orange in color. It's always so sweet, guys. So sweet. It's here. It's orange in color. You can tell me in the comment section how the manago is called in English. They are down in the comment section how the manago is called in English. So for me, I'm here to eat this manago. Like the manago fruit. So sweet, guys. These are the Savannah fruits that you find outside the Savannah land. So sweet, guys. At first, when somebody told me these things are being eaten, I told him no, you can't eat such things. But when I tried, I always eat these things. They're so sweet. So sweet as the manago vegetable taste. If you have some manago, and that's meant some its fruit, some use it as make through the manago fruit. They make some seedlings that they plant the manago vegetable with it. They make a seedling bed. They throw these seeds there. They water it and then they make some seedlings. So after making some seedlings, they plant it as the manago. So for me, I tried doing that thing, but because this place is so, I don't know how is it the manago only. As in, you cannot find the manago that someone has planted. It only grows on its own. You can't find any manago someone has grown. Maybe the way I'm eating. I can explain for me on my side. As in, I think how the manago grows. I think when the birds eat these fruits, after eating the fruits, maybe the digestion system of a bird can't digest the seedlings, the seeds of the fruit. So when they go to when they remove. I don't know when when they are throwing down, because birds throw anywhere their feces. When the feces falls down in the ground, is when I think maybe the feces, the combination of the feces and the seedling, the feces got some fertilizer of the feces of the bird. So the feces plus the seedlings, the manago grows. I think that's how it works. Because also for the passion fruit, also they say a passion fruit grows better and grows good when someone eats when someone eats eats the passion fruit and throws out the manago, throws out the passion. So the seedlings that she throws out from the stomach grows faster than the normal seedlings that you go and plant. So guys, this is my passion. This is my passion. Passion fruit. So I've written the manago fruit, they're everywhere. Also here, it's a manago fruit. They're everywhere. But after eating the manago fruit, I think I will just take these vegetables. These vegetables. Can see the vegetables and I'll go eat afterward. So today my menu will be manago. Abuya. Just wanna eat some the desert. I'm eating the desert fruits. That's how I just the main reason of taking the video. You're not even showing out my nature. I'm gonna show you the not the desert, the savannah fruits. The savannah fruits. The kind of savannah fruits that are here. Savannah fruits. My savannah fruits. Savannah fruits. So guys, here's another one. I found some other fruits in the garden. So guys, as you can see here, I'm on with my nature walk. So I'm already in some garden here. My garden here. They planted some. These are some beans. Those I think they've already been. So probably these are the beans. These are the beans. But in the beans when I never planted this thing. I think it's called either a physalis. I don't know if it's called a physalis plant or physalis fruit, or it's called gooseberries. So guys, down there in the comment section, tell me which. Let me take that one that's already ripened. Tell me which fruit is this one. Which fruit is this one? Which fruit is this one? In the comment section. Is it a physalis plant, gooseberries, or what's its name? For me, I have because in our local language you call it Chinso Chinsoba no Chinsoba Sobo. Chinsoba Sobo. It's called Chinsoba Sobo in our local language. I think Chinsoba Sobo, Chinsoba Sobo. Yeah. Chinsoba Sobo in our local language. It's so sweet, guys. So as I told you, the main name I was doing this video here, showing you the savannah plants. This thing you can I don't think nobody planted these things unless some, but here we never plant these things. I think the same way the manago, the way I told you manago grows on its own. I think the birds eat these things, go remove their feces. As they always throw feces anywhere. Maybe they came here, eat, then throw the feces here. You see? That's how they do. Let me do thing. So sweet, guys. So sweet. So sweet, guys. Can see? For me now, I can call it a physalis plant or a gooseberry. Not know the specific name. But down there in the comment section, tell me which plant is this? Which plant is this? See, eating. So I always come here and eat these things. So I always wait for some 3 days. 3 days. Then I come and look for the one that has ripened. So guys, you can see the physalis plant. I don't know if it's called the physalis plant or what. Down there in the comment section, tell me what is it? How is it called? Is it a physalis plant or what? Down there in the comment section, tell me. A physalis plant or what is it called? See, you can see them proper. I just put them like this. You can see them proper. Tell me if it's a physalis plant or a gooseberry or any name you know there down. You can also name it in your local language, but probably tell me how it's called in English. For me, let me continue enjoying these things. These fruits are so sweet. These are things that you find in the savannah land. Hey. something sweet, sweet than it and other things. So sweet. Shit. Hmm. I wish you were here and see how I'm enjoying these things. It's not a joke, guys. These things are so sweet. So sweet. So sweet. Mm. Come check. This is a plant. This is a plant. The whole plant. You can see. This I don't know. They are down in the comment section. Tell me. So guys, as we continue eating these things, please again consider subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. When I always post, you get notified. Also like, comment. I wanna know your views about this video. Down there, anything you see, anything that is somehow crazy, anything you want me to improve, anything, just be open and tell me. Yeah, we always make videos. Just be open, tell me your observations on this video as I continue eating this physalis fruit. The physalis. For me, I call it the physalis plant fruit. So sweet, guys. This thing is so sweet. I think those ones that are already ripe are finished, so probably I need to wait until next time. Until next time. These things are so sweet. So guys, that's how I finished my nature walk today. Showing you, I haven't finished my nature walk, so I just wanted to record some of the video and show you how I always do my nature walks. I mean. So see, that's how I do, and that's how some of the Savannah fields. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting down there. Comment, please. If you are free, comment. Please. I always ask you to just subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then like the video and comment. I just want to know your views. I like you so much, guys. I love you and always continue loving you. This is what I always do, showing you the African content and African ways and African culture, and anything that I do, I'll always show you. Anything you want me to show you on the African things, on what African do, just comment there down in the comment section, and I will be ready to show you. Thank you, guys. I love you.